For some time now, there has been an email spoofer sending fake emails to enemies. And whenever someone receives one of these suspicious emails, the conventional advice is to ignore that email and to get in contact with your enemy, which is usually where it's being directed to see if they actually sent said email. Now, the problem is because they're your enemy in most of these cases, there's little incentive to actually contact them to verify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually trace where these emails actually came from rather than contact someone you don't like. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab and bring up a search engine and type in email header tracer. One of the first links that's going to come up is ip2location.com. And there are other email header tracers out there that exist, but these guys give the most information, so this is the one that I recommend that you use. So let's head back over to the suspicious email, and what you want to do is you want to bring up something called view headers right here. Now, I'm using Proton Mail, and this is going to have a different label depending on what your email client is, and I'll give another example in a minute. So what you want to do is click on view headers here, and you're going to see a huge block of text. Now, select the whole text and then copy pasta that into the email header field right here and click on Lookup. Scroll down, and then we see that, whoa, look at this. This is coming from Czechia or the Czech Republic. And the domain name is finalhosting.cz. Now let's open this up, and voila. This is a VPS hosting site. Basically, this is used for the back end of website hosting services. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It's like a VPN, like what you use for protecting your privacy for normal internet browsing, except this is a lot better. You can do whatever the fuck you want and harass people with impunity. Here, you can actually create your own email client. And if you know what you're doing, you can fake where emails came from. Except, of course, it fails its authentication requirements and it ends up getting flagged by any email hosting provider worth their salt. However, those less tech-savvy may still fall for the trap regardless by ignoring the warnings from their email host provider. So let's head back over here, clear the field. And that's how you do that. Just copy pasta the big text splat into the field and check it out. So here, let me give you another example. We'll go over to Gmail. Now in Gmail, you want to go over here and show original. And it'll bring up the headers as well as the entire raw code of how an email appears. Now you just click copy to clipboard. And you can go back to the email header tracer and do the exact same thing. As so. Click look up. And voila. Here, country, United States. It's in California. And the ISP is Google LLC. There we go. And the domain is google.com. This is the kind of information that we want to see. So in this example, we have verified that yes, this email did in fact come from where it is supposed to. And that's how you do it.